there, guys. I'm Mike Bills with Measurable Solutions, and this is Whiteboard Wednesday. And today we are going to talk about making going to work fun again. And you could take this two ways. You could take this in terms of making going to work fun again for you as the owner, the manager, etc. Or you could take it as making going to work fun again for your staff. It happens to the best of us. We get into the doldrums. We kind of get pulled down by the junk that goes on, the stuff that happens. This person said this and that, and before you know it, morale's kind of going down. And again, I'm big into sports, so when that happens, the morale of the team starts going down. What starts happening? You start losing, and you're not really winning, and it's definitely not fun. And so the goal is, let's get the fun back in work and get it to be fun and get everybody enjoying it, so that it's not, I'm coming to work so I can get a paycheck. It's coming to work so that I can help people, I can work together with a group of people I feel really close and on purpose with, and the benefit is I get a paycheck and maybe I get a bonus or whatever might happen, right? So all staff need to have a goal. This is so true, and you just have to trust me, and you just have to put it to action and see it for yourself. You give your staff a goal, a target to work towards in the next 5-7 days, in the next week, and that will automatically make it be a game for them, and it will automatically make it fun. They will surprise you with the ways, the things that they come up with to try to achieve that goal, and all of a sudden, by the fact that they've got a purpose to live towards and a goal to achieve, they're going to start having fun because they're going to invent things, they're going to work together, whatever, they're going to work as a team, etc. You think about that team that's losing games, they start beating each other up. That's exactly what your staff is going to do, and it's not going to be fun. You get them working together as a group, give them individual goals or a team goal or a whole office goal, and all of a sudden it's a game, and their tone's going to start going up, and they're going to start winning. They're going to start showing up at work and having a good time and having fun with it. And by the way, when they're having fun, now you're having fun, and that's the key thing. I already said it, play games. I mean, it can be, we had a game one summer we played. It was a race car driving around the wall of the office, and they got a point for certain things, right? And in the end, the prize was, we wore jeans on Fridays or shorts on Fridays during the summer if you met this many points and the car got so down a certain wall, right? It's simple, but we're creative. You're creative. You're a PT. PTs have to be creative. If you're doing the same thing day after day with a patient, you're not getting anywhere. And if you're doing the same thing with your staff, it isn't fun anymore. It's not fun for you, and it's not fun for them. So get a game in place. That's big and that's key, and get everybody playing that game. And then order, organization, and communication. 3 big words. You need some order in your practice. You need some processes. You need things to be, do these steps, etc. You need to communicate what those steps are, and that organization will come as a result of those 2 things. And when you do that, you make it fun, because it turns out to be fun, because then staff know what's expected of them. They've got a game to play and a goal to achieve to get there, and before you know it, they're having a good time. They're sitting in the office next to you, they're back in the gym, they're laughing, they're having a good time, but they're laughing and having a good time and being productive, which makes you happy, which makes your practice fun for you again, and it's a win-win for everybody. So get these in, get everybody on board, get everybody playing games, get some order, some organization, and communicate what it is and why you're doing it, and your staff will be behind you, and everything will be fun again. So get that in play. Hey, I'd love to see how things are working out for you. We've had a lot of these Whiteboard Wednesdays. I'd love to see some comments below. Give me some good feedback on other topics that you'd like to hear or see information about. I got plenty of pearls of wisdom to share with you, and experiences, etc. So do me a favor, put some comments, and I'd love to see them. But I look forward to seeing you guys next week for next week's Whiteboard Wednesday. Take care. Have a great day.